About to get some new tires installed. Got 315, 3520. Right now I got 305, 3520. Finally got the tires inside the car. Very tight fit. I barely made it fit. 315, 35, 20 in the back. And we got the 275, 40, 20 in the front. Look at that. About to head to the shop and get them installed. I got summer tires, but fall's coming, so excited to get some all-season tires. Got my camera here. Got a radar detector on the right side. Got 275, 40, 20 in the front right now. 305, 3520. Firestone. About to get this new tires installed. Keep y'all updated.
So you work at Bloomingdale's, huh? My mom calls it Bloomies. Oh, yeah, okay. Eddie's soldier. Sorry?
Yes, so we're back at the shop. Got the new tires installed. Oh shit. Let's go check it out. All right, so after all that, we are back home. Got the new tires installed. Take a look at that. And these are the summer tires I had. Look at that. So I do have a few more comments. I paid $512 or around there for all these tires. $275 are sold as a pair, and the 305s are sold as a pair. To get them installed at Firestone, they charged me around $120. So I paid about $600 and something. And I did get these from eBay. All season. Another thing to know is that it takes about 30 minutes for each tire to be installed on the rim. So I waited about 2 hours for the tire installation. I do have 20x9 in the front, and the rear rims are 20x10.5. So if you want to get 3/15 installed. You need a 10.5-inch rim or an 11-inch rim. And then the front for $275, I got 20x9. Some people get 20x9.5. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.